Hi, Jill here from the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. So we have a special here for you today. Splendid Spoon reached out to us to give an honest review of their products because some of their staff actually follow our show. And this is actually one of the first companies that have approached us that we really think fits our motto and what we cook in our own home. So we're going to do a review for you today. I'm just going to show you what they sent us. So, oh, this is cool. So it looks like their packaging is it's all like recycled stuff. It's all paper-based, which is good. Okay, so it looks like we've got all these bowls on top. We've got a Carrion stew. Got beans and greens soup. Green split pea soup. Yum, I love that one. Let's see. Can't read this one. Garden minestrone. Chana potato stew. Mexican tomato chili. Brown rice taco bowl. Ooh, look at that. That looks pretty exciting in there. Looks really nice and fresh. And these are frozen. The soups are all frozen. So, and they're still really nice and cold. Carrot lentil curry. Ooh, that sounds good. Chickpea harissa tahini stew. Ooh, I think I know what one I'm gonna like. Cauliflower tikka. And last but not least, coconut curry rice bowl. All right, so that's 6. So 10 bowls. Some of them look like soups, some of them are more like a stew, and then there's one taco bowl. It looks like this is a bowl too here. Yep. So 2 bowls. All right, so now we get to try them. So we're gonna do a review for you today of 2 of their products. We've got a bunch of them, but these ones are just the ones that sounded really good to me. This is not a paid product placement, but we do have an affiliate link for you that's gonna get you $25 off of your first order. So if you're just wanting to try some of these delivery services like this and want a really tasty, whole food plant-based service, this is a great time to try it out. Use that affiliate link. So let's get cooking. I'm gonna start with the cauliflower tikka, and I'm gonna read you here. So this container says it's 2 serving sizes of 8 fluid ounces, 110 calories per serving. This is a vegan, gluten-free, BPA-free, microwave and dishwasher safe container. But I'm gonna show you the soup on the stovetop because I really don't, I don't do a whole lot of microwaving, especially with soups or stews. But then we're gonna move on to the brown rice taco bowl, which I will show you in the microwave because I think this might be a little bit hard to heat up on the stove. So let's open this guy up. Wow, it smells good. So let's get this going. So these did come frozen, so you're gonna have to let them thaw out a little bit, or just put them in the refrigerator and they'll slowly thaw out. So we're just gonna heat this up. Oops. On medium on the stove for just a few minutes. All right, so now it's heated up. You wanna come take a look? Okay, it's ready. I can't wait to try this. So this is the cauliflower tikka. Mmm. Oh, yum. Oh, that's really good. I'm gonna tell you what's in here. Let's see. So it's got cauliflower, tomatoes, onions, cashews, tomato paste, coconut oil, lemon juice, coriander, cumin, cilantro, ginger, turmeric, so lots of spices, which is great. Black pepper, red chili pepper. Yum. So flavorful. And I tell you, we've tried a lot of these plant-based frozen meals, and what's really difficult with them is usually they don't have a whole lot of flavor, but man, this stuff is packed with flavor. I'm really pleasantly surprised. Can't wait to eat more. So since this is a serving size for 2 people, it says on here, if you wanted to make this stretch a little bit further, you could put it on some black or brown rice. And 2 of my recipes that would go great with this, either my sweet potato flatbread or the quinoa flatbread. They would go so good in here. Okay, so now on to our taco bowl. Okay, so now we're gonna try the brown rice taco bowl. And the brown rice taco bowl has black beans, organic kale, organic brown rice, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, onion, organic red peppers, pumpkin seeds, extra virgin olive oil, lime juice, tomato paste, scallions, salt, poblano peppers, garlic, cilantro, chipotle pepper, black pepper, paprika, red chili pepper, oregano, and ancho pepper. Wow, that's a lot of ingredients. And it says to remove lid, microwave for 2 to 4 minutes, stir midway. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we'll stick it in the microwave for, let's say, 3 minutes. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, I'll say 3 minutes is plenty. You want to look at that? Look at that. Steaming hot. Stir that up a little bit. Oh, yum. Yeah, that's full of flavor. Lots of greens. You can taste the beans and all the spices. Wow, I can honestly say, if they offered this at a restaurant somewhere, I would order that. It tastes really fresh, super healthy. That's delicious. So let's get this cleaned up and then we'll wrap things up. So we are so happy that Splendid Spoon reached out to us because their products really closely align with the things that we actually cook in our own home and that we want to offer to you. But be sure to go online and check out their whole array of soups and stews and smoothies. They have tons of choices for just about any flavor palette. These are just the bowls and the soups that we tried today for you. They're going to be sending us another box of the smoothies so that we can review them, so stay tuned for that show. So be sure to check out that link below and get your $25 off your first order, and you're going to love these products.